morning, Valley Service. Mark speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Could you send somebody to pick up my laundry, please?
Alright, sir. May I know your name and your room number, please?
My name is Ronnie Lagua and my room is 103.
Alright, sir. I will repeat your request. Your request to pick up your laundry from your room, and your room number is 103. Your laundry will return tomorrow morning. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Is there anything else, sir?
Nothing, thank you.
Thank you for calling, Mr. Ronnie. About 5 minutes, your laundry will pick up into your room. Good morning and have a nice day. Valley Service.
Come in.
Good morning, Mr. Ronnie. I am Mark from laundry section. I got information that I will pick up your laundry.
Yes, just pick up on my bed.
In your laundry, we have one short, t-shirt, and jeans. Is that right?
Yes.
May I know what kind of service do you want?
What kind of service do you have?
In our hotel, we have three service. There are regular service, express service, and special service.
Express service, please.
Express service. In this service, what do you want? Fold or hang?
Hang, please.
Okay, sir. I repeat your laundry, sir. You have one t-shirt, one short, and one jeans. And you choose express service and you want it to hang. Anything else, sir?
Nothing.
How would you like to settle your bill, sir? Is in cash, credit card, or can pay in reception, sir?
I'll pay cash.
Okay, sir. Thank you and have a nice day. Valley Service.
Come in.
Good morning, sir. I am Mark Combes, your Valley attendant for today. I am here to deliver your well-pressed iron cloth.
All right.
Where do you want to put this, sir? Inside your closet or top your bed?
Inside my closet.
Thank you, sir. Is there anything else that you want me to do?
Nothing.
Alright, sir. If you need more assistance, don't hesitate to dial 001 for housekeeping department, and we are pleased to serve you. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.